Okay guys, today we have a Chevy Traverse. We don't have a lift, but we are changing the tail light. I decided to make a video at the last minute. It's not the tail light, I apologize, the turn signal light. So with that being said, you have to get underneath the car. So we drove the car up on to these ramps, safety first, and then once you get underneath there, the very front, you must lift the car up. Hopefully this is not confusing. Just lift up the car. I'm trying to get the view. You have a couple of bolts. It's going to be here. There's going to be another one there. It's going to be the Torx. And you pull that out. So before, what I've done is I've taken the bulb out. Hopefully this is clear. I've decided to make this video at the last minute. So once you get inside, you're gonna see, you gotta reach your plug. It's gonna be very hard to get you guys to see that. So there's your plug. All right, let's see. Oh, okay, so there's your plug, which you have to turn and twist. So I pulled the bulb out first. That way I can match and make sure we have the right bulb, which is a 4157 NA. Looks very close, very similar. Let's see. It is the 4157 NA. All right, let's get to it. And so, raise the car up. You have to go underneath, just in case it's not clear as to what I'm saying. I apologize, but I think once you start piddling around with it, you get in there. See that? There's that. You take your bulb with one hand. You're gonna have to feel it, because I'm not big on getting underneath cars. And feel it, feel it, feel it. It's the one hand thingamabob.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Get it in there. We lost our light. And you feel around back on the socket. There's a socket in there. Sorry if you guys need more of a view. And you twist and turn. Come on, baby. Twist and turn. Oh yeah, try to twist and turn. Can't believe we lost our light. That really sucks. I don't know if the light would help anyway. Twist and turn. Put it back in the socket. Looks like you have to charge this light every single night you go. So I apologize. Then you lock your bolts back in. It should be just that simple. Just that easy. Should be just that simple and just that easy. And that's it. So that's the Chevy Traverse. I'm getting there. Oh yeah. So I can see the way this is done. That's the Phillips side. All right, you guys don't have to stick around any longer for that. unless you want to. Maybe we should see if it works. Yeah, well, stick around. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. And there, we're locked back in.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
And if you want to see the other side, we'll make a video about the other side. Let's test our lights. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. And welcome back, guys. Mission accomplished. We are done.